If you have a baby, listen up. It's getting scary how much misinformation is out there about what to do when your baby has a fever. And if you have a baby with a fever, there's definitely some stuff that you need to know. I'm Dr. Williams. I'm a board certified pediatrician, and I make evidence-based pediatric content that I hope is helpful to parents. You might follow my page if that's something that you're looking for. Clearly, I even post on Halloween. Fever in babies can be terrifying. It's important to keep in mind that a fever is anything above 100.4 Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. Now, a lot of people go online looking for fever remedies for babies, but here's what you've got to know. In a baby under 2 to 3 months of age, a fever is a potential emergency. If you've got a fever in a baby that age, do not give Tylenol, do not pass go. Take your child directly to the emergency room. The real problem is that babies don't have much of an immune system and they don't have much of a blood-brain barrier. So worst case scenario, if they were to get bacteria in their bloodstream, that bacteria could go anywhere it wants and it could do anything it wants. So a fever in a baby is often the first sign we have of a terrible infection. When your baby is really little and they have a fever, they're gonna need blood work, they're going to need urine studies, they're going to need a lumbar puncture, and they'll probably end up admitted to the hospital for a day or two on pretty broad spectrum antibiotics. At that age, we keep them in the hospital for a couple of days while we watch blood cultures and CSF cultures, and we won't let you go home until we are positive that your kiddo is safe. We really do take it very seriously when a baby has a fever. So if your baby is acting a little off, or they feel warm, or they're acting fussy or sick, definitely don't hesitate to take their temperature and take them straight to the emergency room if it's a fever. So I have to tell you that my first patient of the day today was this cute little 4-year-old girl, and I wasn't convinced that my costume would make a lot of sense to a 4-year-old girl. So I asked her, I'm like, hey, can you tell what I'm dressed up as? And she looked at me like I was a total idiot and she said, yeah, a doctor.